Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine, I am your French coach. Comment ça va aujourd'hui? Moi, ça va bien et j'espère que c'est pareil pour vous. I am fine and I hope it's the same for you. As usual, you will find the transcript of that episode on the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre comment utiliser on en français. Today, we'll learn how to use on in French. So, what is on? On is a subject pronoun. What is a subject pronoun? A subject pronoun is when you say I, you, or they. So we use on as a subject pronoun. That's already a lot of English, so I'm going to speak in French. On est un pronom sujet. C'est quoi un pronom sujet? Un pronom sujet est quand vous dites je, vous, il. Alors, nous allons apprendre comment utiliser on en français. First, let's pronounce on correctly. You've noticed that the spelling is on, and you do not pronounce on. I know it's the same spelling, but it's a different language. So, you start with the sound O, and then try to lift the back of your tongue and make the air go through your nose. Listen to the difference. O, on. O, on. Try at home. You want to do the sound O with your lips pursed together, and then you want to lift the back of your tongue. On. On. Alors, on as in we in French. On pour dire nous en français. In spoken French, drop nous for on when you speak. You'll sound closer from the way French speak. En français, il faut utiliser on au lieu de nous quand vous parlez. Par exemple, nous allons, on va. Nous faisons, on fait. Nous sommes, on est. Nous avons, on a. I'm going to repeat so you can repeat after me. On va. On va instead of nous allons to say we're going. On va. On fait. On fait au lieu de nous faisons instead of nous faisons to say we're doing or we're making. On fait. On est, and you have to link. On est au lieu de nous sommes instead of nous sommes to say we are. On est. On est. On a, instead of nous avons, to say we have or we're having. On a. On va, on fait, on est, on a. Of course, you can use it with any verbs you want. Please note that although on implies two or more people, in this case, you still use the verb in the he-she conjugation. D'accord? Alors, on as people. Another use of on is to replace people in general in a sentence. For example, people drives on the right in France translate into on conduit à droite en France. You have to remember on conduit à droite en France. Just remember that on in a sentence is or can be used as people in general. On mange le dîner entre 19h et 20h30. People eat dinner between 7 and 8:30 p.m. Génial. Alors, je vais faire une petite pause et je reviens tout de suite après ce petit break. I'm going to take a short break and I'll be right back. Are you ready to speak French? On as someone. Another use of on is to replace someone in a sentence. Par exemple, someone will call you back devient on va vous rappeler. For example, someone will call you back translate into on va vous rappeler. Someone is ringing the doorbell. On sonne à la porte. Someone will be here shortly. On viendra rapidement. D'accord? Alors, on va récapituler. On pour dire nous en français. That's the main use. And especially in spoken French, drop nous for on when you speak. Il faut utiliser on au lieu de nous quand vous parlez. On va, on fait, on est, on a. On pour dire les gens, people, les gens, people. And on as someone, one person, someone you don't know, someone, on. It's not definite. D'accord? Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. As usual, you'll find the transcript on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com. I also have a Facebook page. I know some of you have reached out to me asking about the YouTube channel. I will be back at one point. Again, I hope you enjoy this podcast, and if I was helpful, feel free to leave 5 stars. You can do it right into the app if you listen on Spotify, and thank you for all of you who listen to me on the other platform. And wherever you are in the world, and remember, you are awesome. Merci, à bientôt, au revoir.